Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Monday announced a slew of measures including statewide prohibitory orders to fight coronavirus and warned that the pandemic may go out of hand if it is not stopped now. Restrictions imposed under Section 144 of the CRPC will be enforced more strictly in what Thackeray termed it as a curfew. He said not more than 4 to 5 people and cars with more than 2 people would be allowed on the streets. A 57-year-old man who had tested positive for Covid-19 and was admitted to a private hospital in Kolkata in West Bengal died on Monday afternoon, marking the first death since the outbreak of the coronavirus in the state. 6 more people have tested positive and are in the hospital. The man was a resident of Dum in the North 24 Parganas district. His wife and other family members are already in isolation at a state-run hospital. The Union government on Monday ordered suspension of all domestic flight services beginning Tuesday midnight in a bid to move towards a complete lockdown prompted by the fast-spreading deadly Covid-19 that has killed at least 8 people and infected 433 people in India. All operations will cease with effect from 23:59 hours on March 24th. The Health Ministry announced in a daily briefing that the government is working with 12 private laboratory chains for testing. These 12 have 15,000 collection centers across the country. 12 laboratory chains have been registered and they have started functioning, while the rates of sanitizers and masks have been capped. 433 confirmed cases have been reported so far and at least 8 people have died. There's a complete lockdown in 9 states and union territories and partial curbs in 6 states. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation on Monday issued several guidelines on social distancing for airlines and airport operators as the number of cases in India soared to 433 and the government clamped a lockdown in many states, from requesting flyers to keep a distance of minimum 1 meter at check-in counters, waiting areas and during security checks. The regulatory body also asked authorities to provide sanitizers for staff and passengers at the aircraft gates. AIIMS has issued an order to shut down OPD including specialty services, all new and follow-up patients registration from March 24th till further orders. The Premier Institute had earlier decided to temporarily shut down the routine walk-in OPD registration of patients from March 23rd as it redirects its resources to control the COVID-19 outbreak.